Well, my project is about the heavy metal pollution, and actually it's kind of like a broad project, I would say. So I collaborated with the different companies in Holland, which basically generates the waste, and then they have this kind of leftover material. And then I use that waste actually to do my experiments. I did material research, and then afterwards I have the outcome, which I made in the ceramics, in the textile, and in the glass. Shortly that.
So, and would you say, because what we thought when we were looking at your work is like you took like let's say ugly materials because of waste, and you turned it in something beautiful. And was it something you were really thinking about when you were doing it?
One material I took is from the zinc factory. It's called zinc ashes. It's like a waste product. But the thing is that in the past, they spread it in a huge area. And that's how actually thousands of houses were polluted. So for me, that part is really interesting, and then it gives this historical context. So when you have this beautiful, let's say, beautiful objects on your table, it gives kind of a message, and kind of, gives kind of awareness. It's like for you to judge, actually. But for me as a designer, it's more like a material, so kind of for me, ironically, more polluted it is, more better.
How did you feel about the fact that kind of the colors and textures were determined by nature?
I mean, you cannot control, the end result. And myself, I like that kind of, earthy colors, because I think it's, it's more human in a way. It's kind of, I don't like those nasty colors.
Yeah, nice. Have you worked with ceramics before a lot, or are you generally very interested in ceramics?
Yes. Yeah? So really great teacher, Franz Otting, and his ceramics. And then it was also more about, let's say, experiments, and I was like really into it. And I think that's how actually it started. I really like, this material. But I mean, I don't want to limit myself.
Yeah.
I wouldn't call myself somebody who works with ceramics, because I think first is the idea.
If you could decide where to present or where to sell it, could be anywhere in the whole world.
That's a difficult one. And of course, when I'm thinking, maybe MoMA, But I mean, it's also this Dutch Design Week. It also gives me a lot, let's say, a lot to think about the project itself. Is it more like an art project? But then I'm thinking also, is it strong enough to really, stand as an art project? I really think that it's also nice, to make it more industrial in a way, because then it's also starting to solve the problem. Because now I'm also not stating that I'm solving the waste problem, because of course it's really naive to think about it, because it's very small scale, but I think as a starting point it's really amazing. It's also the project which is just the beginning.